Most woodworkers miss out on tools that could save them hours in the shop, not because they are rare, but because they never show up in the usual content you watch online. By the end, you will know exactly which ones are worth your attention, and which ones can seriously upgrade how you work in your shop. Number 12. WOLFCRAFT T-Square. This tool is made for accurate cutting and marking, especially when working with plasterboard. It helps you draw straight lines, cut even strips, and easily navigate around tricky areas with good precision. It comes with a high-performance trapezium blade that lets you adjust the cutting width up to 970 millimeters, depending on what your project needs. Using it is simple. Place the T-square on the board, mark your line, attach the cutter, and run it along the guide. Number 11. MOASURE L X1. Room measuring usually takes time with tape, notes, and guesswork, but this instant room scan device changes that. It maps a space in seconds as you walk around the perimeter, capturing accurate dimensions without extra tools. Floor area and height differences can also be recorded with strong precision. The results transfer straight to your phone, where they can be saved or exported as CAD files or PDFs. Number 10. Socket Chamfer Plane. Get smooth and professional looking edges quickly with this chamfer plane tool, which is perfect for trimming corners and creating clean bevels. It comes with multiple extra cutter heads so you can keep working without stopping for sharpening. A built-in guide helps maintain steady control, giving you even and consistent cuts every time. So if you are finishing furniture edges or preparing joints, this lightweight tool fits comfortably in the hand and moves smoothly across surfaces. It is a simple and practical option for improving accuracy and finish in woodworking projects. Number 9. GREENWORKS Mini Grinder. The 8-volt cordless rotary tool delivers versatile performance that suits a wide range of woodworking and DIY tasks. It supports cutting, sanding, grinding, polishing, carving, and light drilling, handling detailed work with ease. Adjustable speed control lets you set the right rotation level for both delicate and heavy tasks, improving control and accuracy during use. Alongside it, the 45-degree angle marker helps create accurate miter marks on boards for clean corner joints. It allows quick and precise alignment for angled cuts, reducing mistakes and saving time during setup. Number 8. M18 Handheld Vacuum. Powered by brushless motor technology, this unit delivers strong suction for heavy job site debris. It works with M18 batteries, so power can be shared across other tools without hassle. Dual cyclonic separation helps keep the filter cleaner for longer, supporting steady performance during extended use. Different attachments allow both floor cleaning and focused spot cleanup. The dirt canister is easy to empty, helping control sawdust and drywall dust without spreading mess. It's built to handle demanding cleanup tasks on busy sites, keeping the workspace clearer and reducing downtime between jobs so you can stay focused on work instead of constant maintenance. Number 7. DREMEL MOTO-SAW. If you enjoy clean and detailed cuts, this tool is worth a look. The DREMEL MOTO-SAW handles wood, metal, plastic, and other materials with solid control, especially when working on curved lines and intricate shapes. It comes with a 70-watt motor and adjustable speed settings, so you can adjust the cutting pace depending on what you're working on. The table can tilt, which makes angled cuts easier when the project calls for it. Using it is straightforward. Choose the right blade, secure your material in place, set the speed, and gently guide the blade through the cut for smooth, accurate results. Number 6. Quick Flip. This dual-purpose tool streamlines joint work when using Craig-style screws. One side handles drilling by creating both a pilot hole and a counterbore in a single motion, while the opposite end features a number 2 square drive bit for fastening the screw securely. Its compact, quick-release setup makes switching tasks smooth and saves time during repetitive assembly work. So no matter if you're aligning face joints, locking in corners, or fitting drawer fronts, it keeps the process consistent and controlled. The design helps reduce setup changes, letting you move through builds faster while maintaining cleaner, more accurate connections across different woodworking applications. Number 5. WOLFCRAFT Multi-Wood Jointer. Turn a standard angle grinder into a jointer using this multi-wood joiner attachment. It helps create smooth, flat, and straight edges on boards without needing large, heavy machinery. The attachment connects quickly and adjusts without much effort. making it useful in both workshop settings and on job sites where flexibility matters. It saves time by turning rough, uneven wood into ready-to-use pieces faster, cutting down extra sanding or manual planing. The setup improves control during edge work, helping you get cleaner lines and more accurate finishing. It's especially handy for woodworking tasks that demand consistent edges, while also expanding what a regular grinder can do without adding complicated equipment. Number 4. Dust Deputy Cyclone. Reduce dust mess and protect your shop vacuum with this anti-static cyclone separator. It separates dust and debris from the airflow before they reach the vacuum, helping keep filters cleaner and suction power strong for longer use. The anti-static structure helps reduce dust buildup and improves overall workshop cleanliness. It connects easily and works with most vacuum systems without complex setup. By capturing waste before it enters the vacuum, it reduces cleaning time and helps extend equipment life. Number 3. ROTOSAW Plus. Tackling framing, flooring, or trim jobs, this saw delivers crisp, controlled cuts without demanding much force from you. Its compact shape slips into narrow spots that bulkier saws simply can't access, especially when working between studs or along edges. The motor runs with steady power, paired with a sharp blade that moves through wood, plastic, and drywall with consistent performance, helping you get through tasks faster. The handle design supports a natural hold, so your hands don't feel overworked during extended sessions. Number 2. DJ3 Universal Drilling Jig. Drill with precision every time using the Bridge City tools. DJ3 Universal Drilling Jig. It helps with both angled and straight drilling through adjustable guides and stops that support repeatable hole placement. Suitable for cabinetry and joinery work, it uses high-quality materials that support durability and smooth operation during use. It helps improve drilling accuracy and control, giving more consistent results across projects. Number 1. LEVOITE Router Base. Ever feel like your router has a mind of its own when you're doing edge work? This router base fixes that fast. The wide base keeps everything steady, while the side handles give you a firm, confident grip so your cuts don't drift. The flip-up fence helps you stay on track, especially when working on clean edges or fine details. It fits most routers without hassle, and once you try it, you'll notice how much easier it is to stay in control and get cleaner results without fighting the tool. Even during longer projects, it helps reduce shaky movements and awkward positioning, making trimming, shaping, and detailed woodworking feel smoother, more accurate, and far less frustrating from start to finish. If these tools impressed you, make sure to check out more videos, because we have more amazing videos out there. Be sure to subscribe, give a like, and check out the links in the description for the ones you want. Thank you for watching.